Good afternoon, everyone. I have here another variety of plants. It is a succulent plant. The name is angel backbone. So angel backbone have a wavy leaves, curly leaves. It does not need to be watered every day because it will wither if we have to water every day. Water is applied every other day. This plant should be placed in a shaded area or in an indirect sunlight so that the leaves will not be burned by the heat of the sun. So this is the angel backbone succulent plant. Yan siya. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please comment and share. God bless.